In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Squarespace. Whether you're aiming to showcase a particular product, collect email addresses, or simply create a space that conveys your message, building a landing page on Squarespace can be an efficient and visually appealing way to achieve your goals. Let's walk through this process together. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace site. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is where it all begins. Once you're on the Squarespace dashboard, look for the Website option in the side menu and click on it. This will lead you to the section where you can manage all the components of your website. Next, direct your attention to the Pages tab. Clicking on Pages will show you a list of all existing pages on your site. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it controls the structure and order of your website's content. Now, you're going to add a new page. To do this, look for the option under Not Linked that says Add New Page. This option ensures that your new page will initially be separate from the main navigation, which is ideal for a landing page until you're ready to link it. When adding a new page, you'll encounter different page types. For our purpose today, let's keep it simple and select Blank Page. This blank slate provides you with creative freedom to design your landing page just the way you envision it. Once your blank page is created, your next step is to click on Settings for this page. Doing so will open up the Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your page. Here, you'll want to type in a page title that accurately reflects the content you plan to display. After setting your page title, consider whether you want this new page to be your site's homepage. If so, there's a neat feature in Squarespace that allows you to set it directly as the homepage. Simply click on Set as Homepage, and Squarespace will handle the switch. Finally, a confirmation box will appear. To finalize your changes, make sure to click on Confirm. This step ensures that all the updates and changes you've made are securely saved and implemented. So, there you have it, a clear pathway to crafting a compelling landing page using Squarespace's user-friendly platform. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is its flexibility and ease of use, giving you the power to create a page that can grow with you and your business needs. Enjoy experimenting with different design elements and content blocks to make your landing page uniquely yours. Thank you for following along, and happy building.